Okay. Hello guys. Today we are going to create ASP.NET Core web application. I am using Visual Studio 2022. Now set up our first project. So create a new project from here. Then search here Web API. Then you will be get ASP.NET Core Web API. It's create a project template and some controllers folder, and we can customize our authentication and open API support. Then next we are giving, then give here the project name. Like I am giving the project name CRUD API. You can choose the location here. Like I am select the location like CRUD API, and then next. And here you are seeing that the framework selected .NET 8 and have here .NET 7. Like I have installed .NET 8 and 7, that's why here I am seeing .NET 7 and 8. Now currently I am using .NET 8. Then here I have authentication type. So I am using, currently I am not using an authentication type, and so keep it as none. Then configure HTTPS. So keep it as there. Then use controllers and open API support. Okay, then create. It will take few seconds to create the project. Okay, it's created our first project. So this is our solution name. In this solution have one project, there can have multiple projects there, and this is our project CRUD API. If I click here, we can see the project description here. Like I am using target framework .NET 8 and ASP.NET Core. So if I expand this project, here have some folders and files like connected services, dependencies. If I open the dependencies, here have frameworks like I'm using ASP.NET Core app. Then have packages, and we will install some packages here for our project. We'll see it later. Then if I see the properties folder, here I have launch settings.json file. So I have IS settings, profiles, I have HTTP, HTTPS and IS Express. So the important thing is I have application URL. When we will start our application, then it will be start on this port or this address. For HTTP, this will be open this address. For HTTPS, this will be open this address. For IIS Express, this will be open default. And we can choose the starting point here like HTTP, HTTPS or IIS Express. Then we are seeing the controllers folder here. The controllers actually there have we will be write the endpoints there like get, post, put, fetch methods. In folder we will be add our various endpoints and operations here. We will be create more files here. By default, when we will create project, we will get the weather forecast controllers. This is by default controller. We will be delayed further. Then here have app settings.json file. This is the main settings file of our application. So we will be include all settings here like database URL or token, secret key or so on. And here have the CRUD API.http from the .NET 8 version 8. They provide this. Here we will be get all endpoints which we will be create in our project. Then we can also test from here. Then we will get the program.cs file. This is the main file to run our project. Here I have the application builder, and then have the builder services like controllers. This is the swagger to test our endpoints, and this is the main app to build file, and here have some middlewares, and finally it's run our application. Okay, then now run our application to test our test API URL. I am using HTTPS to run our project. It takes few minutes because of its build our project, then it's run. Okay, it's open our first view, and this is the swagger. If you are see that the weather forecast, this is the test API endpoint which provide when we create our project. Now let's execute this. So we are getting a JSON data here, and this is our API endpoint. So in the next video we'll be create our own custom APIs here. Okay, thank you.